Hello, everybody. Welcome to Luca's Show and Tell. Today I'm going to show you something and tell you about this thing that Missy made for last 3 Christmases. Yeah. A jigsaw picture of the Muppets. Yeah. See all of them? There are 33 Muppets. Yeah. Yeah. See? Number 1 is Kermit the Frog. Number 2 is Miss Piggy. And number 3 is Gonzo the Great. And then number 4 is Rolf the Dog. Number 5 is Bean Bunny. Number 6 is Robin the Frog. And number 7 is Camilla the Chicken, my favorite Muppet. Yeah. Number 8 is Rizzo the Rat. Number 9 is Animal. Number 10 is Pepe the King Prawn. 11, Scooter. 12, Fozzie Bear. 13, Waldorf. 14, Statler. 15, Sam the Eagle. 16, Angus McGonagall. 17, Salmonella. 18, Clifford. 19, Beaker. 20, Dr. Buds and Honeydew. 21, The Swedish Chef. 22, Dr. Julius Strangepork. Number 23, New Zealand. 24 is Johnny Fiamma. 25, Dr. Teeth. 26, Zoot. 27, Floyd Pepper. 28, Beauregard. 29, Link Hawk Throb. 30, Bobo the Bear. 31 is Janice. Number 32 is Pops. And last but not least, number 33 is the Penguin. Yeah, see? On the Muppets, yeah. Then Missy Miss Mapage. Sheep Mapasha. Saw puzzle. And it made a picture. Yeah, I love it. Well, do you like it? Yes. Well, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mister.